Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Santa Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Santazilla, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to curve it back. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over and then up for the actual eye. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'll add another one here. Then I'll make a little line underneath here. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and I'm going to bring this over to here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come over and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line over, and I'm going to curve this up into a smile. We'll draw a little line here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here for the bottom of the mouth. Let's bring this line down and up for the chin. And then let's bring this line over and then up here for the jaw. Right here, I'm going to put a little line for the nose and then another little line here. And then I'm going to kind of curve this line down. Let's work on the teeth. I'm just going to make some sharp little pointed teeth. And then we'll do the same thing here, just a row of sharp little pointed teeth. Then I'm just going to curve this line up. Well, we can make a line that's going to curve up and down for the tongue. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then right here, I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to work on the arm. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and I'm going to bring it right to here. Then I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down and up and then back. We'll make one here that's going to kind of go down and then over here. And then one here, it's going to come over and then back down for those little claws. Then I'm going to bring this line to here. And then I'm going to bring this line up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over. Then I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to make a line that's going to come in and around for a claw. We'll make one that's going to curve here. And one more that's going to curve here. I'm going to go down, over, and then up for a little present. I'll make a line that's going to go over, up, over, and down. We'll make a sad face here. The line's going to come up and down for a bow, and then one more here. Next, let's just draw a line that comes down here, and a line that comes down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve all the way to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to wrap around, and it's going to curve around here. And then I'm going to draw two lines that come down here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line, and then another line here. We're going to make it look like he's wearing a little Santa suit. Next, starting here for the leg, let's just curve a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and over for a foot, down and over, and then down and over. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'll put a curve here. I'm going to bring this line down and over to here, and then we'll make one that's just going to kind of curve around. I want to make this line come to here. We're going to go up and then down, so it looks like it's kind of behind the leg. Then let's bring this line down. I'm going to draw another line that's just going to come down here. Then for the foot, we're just going to go down and back, and then down and back and bring it to here. Then we'll just make a line here for the foot. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and it's going to come up to here. And I'm going to bring this line around, and we're just going to curve it around at the end. You can see it's fat here and then gets a lot skinnier here. Then we'll just make a line that's going to curve to here. Now here, let's make a Santa hat. So I'm going to draw some bumpy lines right across here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. A line here, and then a line here to connect it. Then we're going to make some bumpy lines here. Now for the spikes, let's just kind of go up and down, up and down, up and down. And you can see I made that middle one a lot bigger. We're going to do that same thing here. Then we'll make some smaller ones here, right along the tail. Just some little bumps right along there. Then right here, let's draw a line for the neck. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute little Santa Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.